Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily use Vision Booster on Samsung Galaxy A36. So first, you can improve outdoor visibility on your Galaxy A36 by using adaptive brightness. So how you do that is you basically go to settings and now scroll down until you see display and now enable adaptive brightness. And this is our Vision Booster, and that's how it's called in the Galaxy A36. Also, you can try and change the screen mode, but I do not recommend that because it may feel weird. And you can also try and go to vision enhancements right here and try to use some of color filters or corrections, but I do not recommend that. And if you want the best vision, then you need to enable adaptive brightness only. Of course, you can increase brightness manually right here, and also you can use the dark mode, which is right here. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.